So right now, it may not seem like there's a whole lot going on in terms of ADA, right? We've gotten into this range bound sideways trading, right? Between 28 and a half and about 30 cents. And we have, right? There's not a whole lot going on there. But don't make the mistake of thinking that there isn't stuff happening behind the scenes, because really there is. And there's something that you guys need to pay attention to. What we've been seeing is ADA whales, those between 100,000 to 10 million, as far as size of their wallet goes, have been in heavy accumulation during this time. In fact, we've seen more than 116.1 million added since May 21st. And we had back-to-back weeks here right at the end of July that were the highest since September of 21. Okay. That's how much accumulation is in fact going on right now. Now, if you guys track this yellow line, you can see that these whales had been in a constant state of adding to their bag, because guess what? There's huge developments going on in the ecosystem. You can see this all really kind of started at the beginning of the year. We basically hit late January, and they're like, screw it, we need to add to our bags. Accumulation got heavy. Transactions got heavy. And that has been a consistent theme. Now, don't make the mistake of thinking just because this price goes down, because we've gone into consolidation, that they haven't been doing the same, because they have. Now, I'm not a fortune teller, but what this likely means is that there may be a pump incoming. Okay. This is not financial advice, but it's important to pay attention to what, in fact, the big money is doing. They have the ability to create and to end trends. And right now, it looks like they're about to create a new trend, a trend that's going to move to the upside. Now, I don't know where this takes us. It's kind of tough to judge from this market structure here. Right now, the MACD still hasn't flipped around and started turning back. It looks like it's about to start working its way back up. So this might be kind of like one of those gradual moves to the upside, which honestly I'd be okay with. I'm okay with elongated, slow moves because they are in fact more sustainable. We even talked about when we went on this massive spike that there would be some pullback, there'd be some correction. And in fact, we have essentially erased everything that we gained at that time. So, and what that likely has to do with as well is just because obviously we know there's an appeal from the SEC coming down the line in terms of the Ripple v. SEC case, which, it kind of puts pause on the big celebration, if you will. So pay attention to what these whales are doing. It's very important to note that they have not backed off here at all. Okay, they've gone from, I think, 33.14% of the supply to over 34% now, which isn't a huge change, but it is a direction change. Okay, they're building more, they're adding to their bag, and they didn't get money by being stupid. Okay, they see what's going on, they see the TVL rising, they see the development at highs, they know the potential that this ecosystem has. Really, the only thing it truly lacks now is that adoption, that daily user count. But that's something that can be fixed in time. Like I said, with, simple things like higher budget for advertising, more interoperability, more integration with other, businesses and things like that. There's easy fixes to that problem. So thought I'd share that with you guys. Now, if you guys have not checked out the channel sponsor yet, definitely make sure you guys do so. As always, this is not financial advice, but it looks like Grape is building something pretty cool for the future, creating a new layer 1 chain, obviously heavily decentralized. That's a big deal for me. I love decentralized stuff. Right now, guys, you can still get in at $46 a coin. The coin trades on the open market at $172. So kind of a discounted opportunity. Now, again, always do your research. If you guys want to check it out, you can register via my referral link here. That'll be in the description below for you guys. You get a few benefits for doing so. You actually get a 10% bonus on top of anything you contribute to this, or by getting in early. You get this 57% GGT bonus, which is actually the governance token for this chain. So when it goes live in Q4, you'll get additional bonus. You can see how much I have there on top of what you contribute. And also during the 120 days that they ask you to hold your coins, because obviously you can't sell your $46 coin for $170 right away, you'll actually earn 20% APY for doing so. So as always, this is not financial advice. Be prepared, guys. It may not happen in August. It may not happen in September, but we're getting into, I think, some good times ahead. Historically, this should be a good part of the year. we'll obviously just have to wait and see. The macro landscape is ever changing right now. We got some big things coming ahead in terms of the economy. And I think that's going to kind of be a big thing that influences what's happening right now. So appreciate you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.